How was that? That can't be 4 hours.
That's 3 hours and 46 minutes. Indianapolis from St. Louis. I don't know where you are.
I just almost got killed by a semi.
You did?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, he decided he passed me, but couldn't pass me all the way, and I didn't really change my speed, and then he just came over into my lane. I had to bail.
Bail to where?
This is a breakdown lane.
I think I got him to pull over.
How you doing, sir?
Good.
I was the Highway Patrol. I noticed you were touching me.
Yeah.
Down. What's going on, sir? You all right?
Yeah. You're doing 97.
I'm sorry?
You were doing 97.
97?
Yeah.
Sir.
I got it on video.
I'm sorry?
I got it on video.
I'm going 80, sir.
No.
You're actually coming up behind me.
Do you want to see it? I was following you. As soon as that 18-wheeler got over, you went up to 97.
I'm doing 80 the whole way, sir.
No, sir. I have it on video.
That's not a radar. Is that what you're
No.
pushing me down?
I'm recording this and you.
Okay. Is that a radar or something like that?
No. This is tailing you. So this speed is your speed.
Well, the trail came in front of me.
Yeah, I saw you let him in. And then as soon as he moved over, you went up to 97 miles an hour.
I think that's correct, sir.
I believe it is.
Is there anything I can help you with?
No, can you slow down?
Yes, sir.
Because you would pull me over if I was doing 97.
If I was using an instrument, a radar, and the speed was checking 97.
Well, y'all also tail people to see how fast they go.
We don't do that. It isn't a approved way to calculate speed, but we have radars. It's more accurate.
Do you want me to show you the video? Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You have a name and Officer Rodriguez?
Yes, sir.
Badge number?
14655.
14655.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. Take care.
You too.
Okay, Leonard, here's the actual wreck footage. You can see it's clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes. This one is a turn only lane. This lane right here is turn or keep straight. This is the lane I was in. It's going to be about a 20-second video. I'm going to push play now. I was coming after a white van here in this lane here. Okay. Here's my vehicle here. There's my vehicle there. And there's her vehicle in the third lane. And there's the collision.
We just came in. We're right in this end. So they came in.
Oh, okay.
You need something?